back to my channel. It's the Brittany B. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Also hit the alert button so don't miss out on any of my videos. Welcome back, guys. Today I have another video for y'all. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare for boo season, cuffing season, getting some, y'all know, y'all nasty, on a budget. A lot of times you want to feel good about yourself and you're just broke. So you just like, I know. So y'all know I'm very frugal. I make a lot of things on my own on this channel. So I'm just gonna give y'all a few of my tips and the stores I go to just like feel good on the budget. And before I even get started, we can go ahead and start with this wine, $3 at Kroger. So go over to the wine section. It's the same bottle. Let me see. Hold on. My bottle ugly now, but it's this bottle right here. I like Merlot. I like dry red wines, but y'all can get anything. $3, and it tastes good. It's like actually quality. So yeah, Brittany told you. So our first stop is going to be the Dollar Tree. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we're going into the Dollar Tree. I can't show y'all me because I look terrible. So we're just gonna go into the Dollar Tree so I can show y'all some things to get while y'all are here, and it'll be real quick, so I'm gonna speed this video up and then we'll go ahead and see what we need. All right. Okay, y'all, I have to walk this way so y'all can see the entrance. But we're at Citi Trends, so let's go in. I'm looking for the ropes to show y'all. I can't find them. Let me ask them. You working? Oh. Let's see. Oh, here they go. Okay. So here are some of the ropes. These, remember on my last video, I showed y'all I had 2 ropes from here. I didn't get the red one. This one cute. Probably get this one. Look, only $9. The black one. Y'all can see. The rest of these are childish, but it's cute if you're gonna sit around your house by yourself. Oh, this kind of cute for your grandma. See, look, if y'all need y'all a little whole bag to go. Let's see how much these bags are. This baby fat. Y'all ain't gonna be cute with that. $17, so you better cover the sign up. All right, let me go to the line. So for the Dollar Tree, what I did was, when you're getting prepared to like feel good, of course, before you even get started with anything, you want to have some candles. My favorite Dollar Tree candle is coconut leaves. Right here from Dollar Tree. It's like a weird smell. I just love this little smell. It's like subtle. It's not too overpowering. So yeah, get you some coconut leaves, candles. Then prepare your bath. While you're in the tub, go ahead and shave and just get everything smooth. I use the triple blade men's razors because it just made me feel good. I'll insert a picture because I'm not going to my room to get it. And I also use the men's shaving cream, this red one, because I just like it. So this is all Dollar Tree stuff so far. So you got your razors, you got all that. So go ahead and set you a bath with your candles. And I got some bath bombs, only $1, Dollar Tree. Okay? So after you're doing all that, you're shaved and you're doing all that, before you even get started, go ahead and do your vagina, because vagina needs some extra time. Because you know, it's sensitive, you just need some extra time in that area. So what I use is this right here. Before I even do anything, this is also from the Dollar Tree. So I ain't got to keep saying that. Everything so far in this little segment is Dollar Tree, okay? So get some apple cider vinegar. Get you a little turkey baster or whatever y'all want to use, and just put it a little bit. Don't overdo it because your stuff gonna burn. So just get a little bit, put it in some water, and just like put it in your stuff. It cleans out all the bacteria. It just makes you feel good. So do that first. So say you want to have a vinegary vagina. Afterwards, use this right at the Dollar Tree. Can y'all see it? It's kind of bright. Okay. So use this. Do not use it in your hole. Like if you're grown, you know that. But for younger girls, y'all do not put it in your hole because you're gonna mess up your pH. You're gonna don't do that. Just do the outside, like the outside area, but you can do, and like inside the flaps. You don't want to be. Just don't put it in your hole, okay? And I use my shower head is like a spray shower head, so I get all in there afterwards. Cause mostly doctors tell you just to use water. Honestly, you don't want to overdo the soap in your vagina. Like use water, but also use this if you're going to be nasty, okay? The extra little, you know. Okay. So after you're all clean, you're showered up and all that, you need to lotion up. So for me, I like body oils. Well, I like oils on my skin, period, especially if it's getting cold outside. You want to just feel like so smooth. And the best thing is to go, I showed y'all in the previous little clip, go to the kitchen area and get some coconut oil. 100% pure coconut oil for only $1. And y'all know this get expensive. Y'all can't see it. But y'all know it get expensive to get coconut oil. So coconut oil could be for your hair, it could be for your skin. The thing is, it's only $1, okay? So make sure I get some of this. Or you can get this. This actually lasts longer to me than the coconut oil on my skin, which is the vitamin E oil. Really good for your skin, only $1 at Dollar Tree. So you got vitamin E oil and you got coconut oil. I'll put a list of all this stuff in case y'all forget, okay? What else do we have? Okay, so if you're going to like your guy's house, wherever you're going, and you don't have time to do all that stuff, you can still carry your coconut oil, but you ain't trying to be greasy in the bed. Yeah. Or just in your own bed. You don't want to be too greasy. That's what you do before anybody comes over, before you getting in the bed for so it can like soak into your skin. So if you're just going somewhere over somebody's house, get these little, I showed y'all this little section in the previous clip. Get you, this is a Jergens little, a little Jergens handheld Jergens soap. I can't find the light to get it off. Anyway, it's like a little, just get the little stuff. Like I like little cute stuff, like this little lotion and this little mouthwash in case you're drinking or something. All in your purse. And I also put this on my keys from Dollar Tree. Just a little hand sanitizer. Y'all finna see this stuff. Let me change this light. I don't know how to change it. Okay, that's a little better. Whatever, y'all. So, hand sanitizer, Jergens. Y'all can see it right there. And a little bitty mouthwash, okay? What else? Oh, if you need to pee or whatever the case, get you some wipes from Dollar Tree. Just wipe your butt, wipe your stuff. Wipe. Because you don't want to have no pee residue in that. So just go ahead and be prepared. Get you some wipes. I think that's it for Dollar Tree. Before we go to the next store, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what I got from Amazon. Because it's also part of it. Just for your skin. Got this little thing for only like $6, I think. Free shipping. I'm a Prime member, so only $6. Also got that charcoal stuff to make your teeth white. I got that for like really cheap. I'll leave both of them on the screen because it's in my bathroom. And from Amazon. So yeah, get y'all some. Now let's go to the next store, which is Citi Trends. Alright, so from Citi Trends, you know, you got your skin feeling good, all your teeth clean, you feeling real good, you got your wine. Let me give me a sip. So y'all know I got this robe from Citi Trends. I showed y'all in my last video. This robe. I also got a pink one. The pink one is so cute too. Let me, hold on. This little pink robe. So cute. So I got a pink robe and a black robe from Citi Trends. I also got some panties. I showed y'all they're only 99 cents. I'm gonna put some panties in. There you go. Only 99 cents. I know you can go to Victoria's Secret and get the 5 for 25 or 28, something like that. But I always get them during that sale time. But like, you can get 25 pairs of panties from Citi Trends. Now all are not comfortable. Like I don't wear thongs because I just thought they make your coochie uncomfortable. I just don't like it. So I got these. Now be careful with these silk type of panties because this light is getting on my nerves. The silk type of panties, they're just like you put these on right before you go because they're really not good for your stuff to be honest. It's no like cotton padding in it, but they're cute. Let me show y'all. Don't be saying why your panties so big, okay? I'm big, so my panties big. So I also got a black pair. Just some little cute black lace. All my panties are board shorts. Okay, these are cute. I got these red cotton panties. I love cotton panties. They're just so comfortable. They got the little trim of lace. If I can show y'all. Just some red and little boy short panties. Okay. And that sums up this video. Make sure you guys hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Well, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.